our seniors in the back are Ashutosh, Mohammed, and Aman. Flight time to Doha is 5 hours and 32 minutes at cruising altitude of 41,000 feet. For your safety, I would kindly ask you to keep your seatbelt loosely fastened at all times, even if the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Just before they descend into Doha, I'll come back to you and give you an update on the landing time and weather and destination. Well, I'll sit back, relax, enjoy the 5-star in-flight service, and wish you a very pleasant stay on board. Thank you.
Welcome aboard this Qatar Airways flight. Please pay attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. For your comfort and safety, we operate a non-smoking policy on board all our aircraft. Smoking in the toilet will activate a smoke alarm. Smoking aboard the aircraft and tampering with the smoke detector are criminal offences punishable by law. The exits and walkways must be kept clear of baggage at all times. Baggage should be securely stowed in overhead compartments or under the seat of the cabin. For safety reasons, with the exception of handling heads and flight mode, the use of electronic devices is not permitted for takeoff and landing. These devices must remain switched off until you are advised by your cabin crew. If by accident you drop your personal electronic device inside the seat, please do not operate the seat control. Instead, contact a member of cabin crew for assistance. Please fasten your seatbelt for takeoff and landing, and remember the seatbelt signs are illuminated. To unfasten, lift the flap and pull the ends apart. If you plan to sleep during the flight, please make sure your seatbelt is fastened and visible to cabin crew. The cabin environment is carefully controlled. If oxygen is required, masks will be open above you, or you may be required to release those by pulling on the coloured flap marked "Pull." Place the mask over your nose and mouth, adjust the band to secure it, and pull it forward. When your mask is fitted correctly, you may assist others. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please adopt the brace position as shown on the screen. Your life jacket is either beside you, next to you, or underneath your seat. When instructed by the crew, remove it from its container and put it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten in front, pulling firmly to secure it. Only inflate your life jacket when you are leaving the aircraft by pulling the two air pockets sharply downwards. You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. The life jacket has a whistle to attract attention, and the light will automatically illuminate when lit. Infant life jackets will be distributed by the cabin crew. Please take a moment to locate the emergency exit nearest to your seat. The emergency exits are clearly marked and are located as shown on the screen. Escape path lighting will guide you to the emergency exits. In case of emergency landing on water, the evacuation slides will serve as rails. Please remember to remove footwear before using the slide. To remind yourself of the safety aspects of this aircraft, please read the safety card, which is in your seat pocket, and if you have any questions, our cabin crew will be happy to help. To help the cabin crew with final preparations for takeoff, please ensure your seat is in a fully upright position, your tray table is folded away, your window light is open, and your seatbelt is fastened. Thank you for your attention, and enjoy your flight with Qatar Airways. أطلق الحزام حول خصرك وادخل الثلج.
temperature of 37 degrees Celsius with some stiff wind from the north. With the help of air traffic control, we anticipate landing at 5:15 local time in the morning. That's early on the scheduled itinerary. It was indeed a pleasure having you on board today. I do wish you a very pleasant stay in Doha. If you are continuing to another destination, a very pleasant journey. And good morning. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Doha, the state of Qatar, your gateway to the world. The local time is 20 minutes past hour 5 in the morning. The outside temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please remain seated with seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you as you leave the aircraft. Also remember that smoking is only permitted in designated areas of the airport. You may now use your mobile and electronic devices if you wish to do so. If your final destination is Doha, you only plan on visiting Qatar in the future. Please note that nationals from more than 80 countries can now take advantage of visa-free entry into Qatar. To learn more about visa requirements for Qatar, please visit qatarairways.com/visa-free. On behalf of Qatar Airways to One World Alliance, operating in conjunction with our co-share partner Sri Lankan Airlines, Captain Dennis Roy, First Officer Corey Yokta, and Cabin Attendant Flight GR172. We wish you a pleasant stay in Doha or a safe journey to your final destination. We hope you include Qatar Airways as part of your future travel plans to any of our over 150 destinations worldwide. Qatar Airways,